Billions of dollars in federal money for public schools have been released in time for them to plan their budgets for the 2021-2022 school year. But how will this affect our campuses here in East Texas? Our Matt Lackritz breaks down where the money is going and what it will be used for.
More than $11 billion of federal stimulus money is now available to school districts across the state. For Tyler ISD, it's something they've been waiting for since the start of the year.
We were relieved that the state had decided to go ahead and relinquish those funds back to the school system so that we could plan.
And TISD isn't the only district excited. Longview ISD shared this statement that says, like every other public school district in the state, Longview ISD is glad to see these federal funds being provided for the needs of our students and teachers.
School leaders have been asking for weeks is to get that money out there so that schools can go about the business of catching kids back up. You know, there's been some learning loss over the pandemic. And so making sure that kids are brought up back to speed.
Division Director for the Texas Association of School Boards, Dax Gonzalez, says every district will have 2/3 of their allocated funds available as soon as the Texas Education Agency, or TEA, can process it. Every district has been allocated different amounts of funding.
Monies are largely going to be distributed along the lines of Title I funding. So that's a federal program that's designed for children that are at risk of dropping out or have other are educationally disadvantaged.
The TEA has a spreadsheet showing the amounts of money each district will get. For Tyler ISD, it's nearly $45 million. For Longview ISD, it's nearly $20 million. And even smaller districts like Alba Golden are allocated more than $2 million.
Right now is the time to hire talent.
Tyler ISD Superintendent Marty Crawford hopes to use the money to hire new teachers, counselors, and social workers.
2 years from now, 3 years from now, when these funds are supposed to be spent by, but we're going to have an exceptional school system on top of what we already have.
We've got you covered, East Texas. Matt Lackritz, CBS 19.
Now, if you're curious about your own school district and how much money they've been allocated, you can head over to our website at cbs19.tv for more information.